Apple unveils its new iPhone in September, with a release following a week or two after. We're expecting the iPhone 11 to continue this trend to be announced and available to buy in September 2019. The iPhone 11 will almost certainly be the first phone to run using Apple's latest iOS 13 software. Older will be able to update to the new software too. Nearly every rumor suggests the iPhone 11 will have a triple camera setup, similar to the Samsung Galaxy S10 and Huawei P30, though none of the rumors have revealed any definitive specs for the new snapper. The iPhone 11 is expected to run using a new Apple-made A13 chipset. The iPhone 11 probably won't be 5G capable due to issues with Intel's modem business, according to rumors. Issues with Japan and South Korea's current trade policies mean the iPhone 11 screen may be made by a different manufacturer to past iPhones. Rumors suggest it might have the biggest battery ever included on an iPhone.